Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to track everything on your Shopify store using Google Tag Manager? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to install GTM on Shopify step by step. First of all, go to tagmanager.com and create a new account. Name your account and container like my Shopify store. Select country name, then container name like my Shopify store, or copy the store URL, paste here, then select web, then click create and accept the terms, then yes. Now you will see two code snippets, head code or body code. Keep this tab open. We will use this in Shopify. Now let's paste those code into your Shopify theme. Go to Shopify dashboard, then online store, then themes. Click the three dot icon and click edit code. Search for theme liquid. File under layout. Scroll down and paste the body code right after the opening body tag. You can search by Control F, body, copy the body tag from here and paste here under the title tag. Adjust the line like that. Let's confirm it's working. Install the Google Tag Assistant for or use preview mode in GTM. Click save. A new tab will open. Refresh the GTM. A new tab will open. Click around and check if GTM is active. If you see container loaded or tags fired, you are good to go. And that's it. You have installed Google Tag Manager on your Shopify store. Now you can add tags from Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and more, all without editing code again. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and comment below with any questions.